PoleStar Foundation recognizes excellence in 3 categories: the best feature in IT journalism, the best feature in business journalism, and jury special recognition. The PoleStar award consists of a check worth rupees 1 lakh, a trophy, and a citation.
Moving on to our first award for the evening. The 11th PoleStar Award for the best feature in IT journalism for the year 2000 goes to Gunjan Trivedi, Assistant Editor, CIO Magazine, for his feature, Serving IT Shrunk, published in CIO Magazine.
Over the past 8 years, Gunjan Trivedi's portfolio has extended from hands-on enterprise IT implementation to writing about the various facets of information technology. Gunjan's forte resides in being able to deconstruct complex IT implementations and focus on the business impact. He's been associated with IDG Media for the past 4 years and is presently an assistant editor with CIO. Prior to this, he was a writer with network computing for over 2 years. Gunjan is a graduate in computer applications and is a Microsoft certified system engineer and a Cisco certified network associate. Gunjan's article, Serving IT Shrunk, talks about a virtualization project that made provisioning lightning fast and also added savings to the second largest bank in the country. The story establishes this private bank as a role model for leveraging IT to deliver unparalleled value to business.
Congratulations, Gunjan. I request you to share a few words with us, please.
Thank you so much. Hello. Good evening. I'd like to thank the PoleStar Foundation of Polaris Software Lab for setting up this award and the jury for choosing me to receive it. Well, if I look back, my journey from my very first short write-up about 6 years ago to this feature on ICICI Bank's technology deployment that the PoleStar jury had recognized has been quite interesting. I incidentally come from no formal journalistic background or training. I was home in the chaotic worlds of desktops, routers, switches, networks, hubs, and servers. Yet a couple of years in the hardware jungle convinced me that my talents lay beyond securing routers. However, I did know in my bones that whatever path I chose, it would be in a very tangible form connected to information technology. And so one day I find myself writing for a magazine. Trust me, writing about a domain I had been closely associated with was a refreshing experience. I was able to steer clear of the monotony that technology could be and add perspective to its outcome. Writing about the technology being leveraged in enterprises provided me a completely new dimension of understanding. The concepts remained rooted in technology, the language became business. Hence, while writing IT stories, the only mantra I used to figure out how a corporate utilizes IT is to understand what it really wants from technology and not how cool the technology is. Quite obviously, the next step is to deconstruct the complexities and articulate it simply for the benefit of readers. I admit that writing about technology is not as easy as it may sound despite my background, but it is this very inherent challenge of technology journalism that gives me a rush. Here, the learning never stops. The journey, specifically my journey, has seen me grow from techie to journalist. And it's one that would not have taken place without the support of my colleagues, my family, and in particular the patient understanding of my wife, Deepthi. It would be injustice not to share this prestigious recognition with people who helped me to get to this milestone in my career. I would never have dared to pause, rewind, and replay my work life had my family not trusted in me whatever I did. I would never have seen beyond the obvious while writing stories had my colleagues not pointed it out, and would never have believed in my capabilities as a writer had my seniors not encouraged me throughout. I would like to especially mention the contribution of my mentor and idol, Mr. Vijay Ramachandran, the editor-in-chief of IDG Media, without might have ended a long time ago. I'm grateful for that my work has been recognized by the jury, and I'm thankful that you have encouraged me with the PoleStar Award. I'll cherish it all my life. Thank you.
Thank you, Gunjan, and congratulations once again.